Friends, in this video we will learn how to remove the extra space or remove the space in the beginning of the string. Okay, so we will first of all make some changes in our product, so it will be easy for us. So now we are changing some string value. Suppose I am giving here space, okay, and this is double space. Okay, now I am saving this. Now refreshing this table. So in this video we will see how to remove the extra space. Go to the home, refresh preview. So now this is the extra space, beginning of the HD. Okay, so to remove the extra space, first of all we here write custom column, remove all space, text dot trim, and here we will type here product, cancelling double order product. Now okay, there is some error. Okay, so whenever you want to change the formula, here just click on and remove here text. Okay, click on this. Okay, so there should be order type. Insert. Okay, so this is removing all this space. Okay, you can see here now, but it is not removing this middle of the space. Okay, so how can you sort out this? So there is another formula here, trim start or trim end. So just follow this. It is removing ending of the trim. Now we will use trim start, so it will remove start of the string space. Okay, so now question is this: how can we remove this extra spaces? Okay, so by using trim formula it is difficult to remove, like we have done all these things using trim formula. So now we will use substitute here. Oh sorry, replace. Okay, so what is the text as nullable text, oldest text, newest text. Okay, so here is order is my nullable text, means it cannot be changed. So all text was 1 2. Okay, last string I don't need space. So now this has removed all our space by using replace. Okay, so whenever sometime trim not work properly, which we have seen in this video, so that time you can use replace function. In replace function you simply write here double space, and in second condition only double quotes, so your problem will get resolved and no extra spaces will be there. Okay, thanks for watching.